Hey there, CreativeSarah here, and I have a really cool Dollar Tree DIY for you today. I'm using this pizza pan and this sticky backed tile. I'm gonna cut it and so that back comes off, so you do have to glue it on, but it fits perfectly in there. If you love these videos, you guys, and you want to get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information from me, go ahead and comment the word VIP, and I'll send you a message where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. Okay, you guys, so I did go ahead and paint everything with some chalked paint, and now I am just gluing on these strung beads from the Dollar Tree. Also, all the links that you need from me are in my bio, so go ahead and check that. Now I'm adding some really pretty greenery and a little ribbon with some jute to tie it up. You guys, this turned out so good. What a cute tray from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to like and follow for more decor.